Look at these boys. They're doing the silly socks. Ooh, what you got going on? You got you some some snowman socks there. What did you got, Riley? Ouch. Oh, the snowflake socks. Woo! Yeah. Let's show Daddy that it's snowing. Oh! Look at that. It's only November. Here, let me open the door for a second. Oh, shit, it's locked.
Or Christmas guy.
Woo!
Can I do snow? Can I? Oh. Whoa!
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 Alright, Riley, close the door before Reagan gets out.
Alright.
Close it, quick.
Ah!
Come on, move. Move.
Over Christmas, guys. We gotta go up.
Okay, okay.